Good morning, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Sunday, December 21st. Few more days, Christmas is coming, so make sure you get that shopping done. I just want to give a quick update to everyone on our performance for the last 4 days. So with calling the options the way we did in the chat room and the layout that we had. So far, our alert performance for the 4 week total, okay, is up 13,276%. Yes, this is all fully recorded in the chat room. It's underneath the chat room in a forum format, and you can view history and see where our little portfolios have definitely been posted, dates, and everything else, and we keep them up to date and tracking. Okay, so the last 4 days, this was released 4 days on December 16th. Okay, you can see here date started. These were December 16th or the 18th. We've added a couple since then. The SPY doesn't belong up here. That's from the previous one, and you can see 816% for that one. But right now, currently, we do have a couple of positions that are closed or we get stopped out of. Yes, it's real. We do have to take losses. It's just that simple. But what we want to do is make sure that our gains are also protected. So you're protecting the downside and the outside and the upside. So it's very important when you're a member to manage these with us. We will do it in the chat room. Well, we are on this every day, every night. So there's 3 or 4 times a year that this takes place where you get big swings in the market, and we're ready for it. We have our signals, we have our triggers, we have our watch list, we have everything all prepared for you to make a very large chunk of money. Okay, so you can see the last 4 days, the 4 day total is 7,182%, and that is real. I promise you that. Okay, so these weeklies were closed on SPY. Okay, they were closed. 205's were 8 cents, and they shot up to 208. All right, so 2,500%. Great job. So we have these weeklies coming into play right now that we've been in also. And those are 1,400%. We'll see how we get on those. But so you can see that we're on this very, very tight. Make sure you become a member. It's very important. We have that $6.99 special right now, and that special will be ending on Christmas Eve. Okay, so make sure you click the video, join. It's the best thing you could possibly do for 2015 for yourself or for your friends. So make sure you let everybody know and get in on this. We've had a huge surge in membership, and some amazing people have joined the team. And it's just making us stronger and stronger and stronger. Okay, so you have until the 24th. On the 24th, at Christmas Eve, after the market closes half day, we will be shutting down Milestone. Don't get nervous. We are opening on the 28th, okay, with a brand new website. It is huge. It is amazing. The tools, the alert systems, everything is going to be redone, and it's going to be amazing. So make sure you're part of this huge community now, because if you don't do it now, I promise you're going to want to later on, and it's going to be a lot more because we're going to a monthly and a yearly fee only. So the services that we provide, the performance that we provide is bar none unmatched by anyone out there. Okay, what we teach you, what you will learn, is going to go a long way for your future. And once you become a member, just ask any of the members. It's just that simple. Everybody is 100% satisfied that we're aware of. Okay, so we have about 100 people in the chat room now. That is growing very fast. It is well managed, and it's like a gigantic family. So make sure you come on in, take that step to secure your future, and really get an understanding of how to control your portfolio and make the most of every trade that you're in. All right, let's take a look at Netflix here now that that's out of the way. Netflix is amazing. Why? Because we got this double bottom here. We called this here, and so far our performance on the options have been amazing. Whether you're playing stock options, it doesn't matter. Whatever the case may be, you're still going up. Okay. Here's where we have a little bit of resistance right now. Is right at this middle Bollinger Band, but you can see the aggressiveness. We crossed here on the stochastics. We're starting to cross on the MAC, and the average true range is starting to move a little bit. We had a nice cross here on the Wilders. RSI 14 and the moving average 5, which is a great signal for an upside kick. Okay, and this is only one chart. We don't give you our detailed charts that we track all this stuff on and set the alerts with. There are many other charting systems scans and everything else that we look at before we call something. So, you know, we don't think it's done going down. We think Netflix is going to go down, but you're going to get a healthy bounce to the upside. It's just that simple. When you're oversold on a daily, you can move. If we break this middle Bollinger Band, the projected path now is going to start turning, and once it turns, we could have a very lucrative trade. Okay, so we could actually get this gap filled here. We're going to follow this trend that it's in right now. Nice pattern right here. So you're talking, we could potentially get this filled on the 6th. If we get that filled on the 6th, that's 429. Okay, that's about an $80 move if that takes place. Okay, we have to break this middle Bollinger Band first, and then we have to slowly ride this pattern to the upside. Why am I telling you all this and giving you all the secrets? Because you've already missed 250% by not being a member. Yes. So are we going to be at 1,000% over here? Who knows? Okay. It's just very important that you understand what we're doing, how we're doing it, and why we're doing it. We are in a current downtrend. It's that simple. And, just so there was a potential break here that we were monitoring. Okay. And it took place. That's your downtrend pattern. See your candles? See your candles? See your candles riding it? Okay. Look what happened. It crossed. Okay. And now that it's crossed, it's going to move to the upside and get fixed. All right, but it has to get through the middle Bollinger Band next for confirmation for you. But right now we're in down here. All right, so it's very important, and these are only little tricks and things that we come up with. Netflix is in a box right now. All right, it's that simple. It's in a trading zone, and the trading zone is now back in check after we took a dip. Okay, so even with this taking place, we still have the potential to get to the top of this box up here, and if we break out of the box, that's just the final move to this. So it's really simple. It's a simple process, and we make it simple for you. All right, keep an eye on Netflix. Enjoy it. We hope everybody joins prior to the 24th. If you do not, you will still get free videos. It'll only be one chart, okay? And it'll be in a separate email from now on. So make sure you join us because it's going to be an amazing 2015. Everyone, have yourself a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow in live chat.